Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, I seek Your Lordship's indulgence in mentioning item number 2, part 2, item number 4, Your Lordship. On behalf of,
Yes.
on behalf of Mrs. Mary, if this matter may be adjourned for today and listed on another day, Your Lordship.
Been fixed. So where's the counsel for the petition?
Part 2.
Have you taken the consent?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have taken?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mention is made on behalf of Mrs. Mary L. Kyanke, learned government advocate for the state respondents for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Possible next Tuesday.
What's the matter about? Okay, list in the next, after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 5, 6, 7, and 8, my lord. That is fixed today itself, my lord.
Yes, it's been fixed for today.
Yes, my lord. Yes, what happened, my lord, this government has filed an affidavit, my lord, and we are going to file the agenda today itself, my lord. We will already copy start, my lord.
But it's already fixed for
Yes,
hearing.
yes, my lord. It was the earlier present, I allowed, my lord, to file affidavit. So earlier last present, my lord. So this.
So you want to file a rejoinder?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll have to release it from hearing this thing column then.
Then
You're the petitioner, isn't it?
yes, my lord.
Yes, okay.
On 9th of December, maybe
I don't know. We'll make it in the year next year now.
next year, my lord.
Heard, or by 9th, this thing you file your rejoinder.
Yes.
And then in the next date, maybe if readings are complete.
My lord, this 22nd of January, my lord. If Lord
So we'll make it 9th of December
Yes, ma'am.
for you to file your rejoinder affidavit. Mr. Sanjay Kumar Medi, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present and submits that he may be allowed to file his rejoinder affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by the
State-
respondent,
state-
state respondent. In view of the above submission, matter is to be released from hearing column and to be listed under admission column. As sought for, list the matter on 9/12/2025. Yes.
File.
You need your presence to be recorded or not required?
Not required.
Yes.
Lordship, I seek your lordship
Same
in the
order for all, 6, yes, 5 to 8, okay, same order, yes.
I seek your lordship indulgence on mentioning part 2 item number 9, 10, and 12 on behalf of my senior Victor Elralte. If
what
this matter be listed after vacation.
Okay, on the submission made, you are for the respondents, have you taken the consent
Yes,
from the other side? Okay, mention is made on behalf of Mr. Victor Elralte, learned counsel for the petitioner. That will be for 9 and 10, okay? For the petitioner for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, left after the ensuing vacation. Then, in item number 12, it will be Victor Elralte, learned counsel for the appellant. Same.
For motion, item number 1.
Please, Your Lordship, petitioner hearing is the proprietor of RZ Pharmacy, who has been running pharmacy canteen of ZMC, Referral Hospital Falcon. Recently, the respondent authority had issued an open tender notice on January 2024, wherein the petitioner had also submitted his bid. The respondent numbers 7 and 8 have also submitted their respective bidding. That the respondent number 8 was the highest bidder and the instant petitioner was the third highest bidder, and whereas the respondent number 7 was the fourth highest bidder. However, the respondent authority, by the impugned meeting minutes of the pharmacy board under ZMC, dated 9/8/2024, had recommended the respondent number 7, and the reasoning given for rejection of the bidding of the petitioner and the respondent number 8 was unreasonable and arbitrary. Subsequently, an agreement dated 23rd, 12, 2024 was executed by the respondent authority, and the respondent number 7 in respect of running the pharmacy canteen, and the respondent authority had issued the impugned office order dated 30/12/2024, whereby the respondent number 7 was appointed to run the ZMC pharmacy canteen for a period of 2 years from the date of running the pharmacy canteen. The petitioner was instructed to hand over the charge of the pharmacy to the respondent number 7 on or before 21/20/24. Thereafter, Lordship, the respondent number 8, hearing who was the highest bidder, had filed WPC number 2 of 2025, challenging the selection of respondent number 7, amongst other, and this Honorable Court vide order dated 17/1/2025 was pleased to stay the operation of the impugned office order dated 30/12/2024. That is in annexure 2, page 40. The operative portion, no, not this one, Your Lordship, I'm sorry.
Where has it stayed?
Not that. It's in 75, page 75. Yes. Lordship got it? Yes. And the,
Already stayed, so no,
Already,
no
yeah.
pay for stay.
and
But
beside
one thing
this,
is, why have you, now you have made respondent number 8 also a party?
Yeah,
Who is the
yeah.
highest bidder?
yes, you have to, yes.
So if he is the highest bidder, then why are you challenging?
If,
And respondent number 8
yeah,
has also not been selected, then
Yes.
why is he made a party?
yes, in case,
No,
if,
what in case?
in case if
why
the
you
respondent number 8 is rejected, I'm the next one.
No,
I'm running the-
respondent number 8 has nothing to say here
I have,
because you're challenging respondent 7's selection, isn't it?
yes, only the pro forma defendant, respondent number 8. I have no
I'm just
against,
wondering why he's made a party respondent number 8.
yeah, you have
He's
to,
the
make-
highest.
yes, you have to make as a pro forma only, Your Lordship.
Pro forma also, he has not been selected. He has not been selected also.
Yes, the thing is,
If
he
he's
is
the highest, then
being a highest, I
so,
am
no,
the third
no,
one.
no, supposing,
Yes,
so you're claiming your this thing case because you are higher than 7,
Right.
isn't it?
right.
That means your standard for the highest should be selected. If the highest is to be selected, you're admitting
Yeah,
that
my
eight-
case will
eight-
be exhaust, yeah.
So so you're saying 8 is the one who's been to be selected.
Yes,
So
I am-
think you
if,
cannot make 8 a party if you're if it's on that ground that because you're higher, then how can 8 be a party in this
Your
case?
Lordship, he is a bidder. Amongst the bidder, we are participate in 8, 7, and me, because 8 is the highest. I have accepted. I have accepted. But for pro forma only, I have to make it because he is the highest. I am the third one only. That's why
So
only. It's
your only
no,
case,
no case against him. Pro forma, there's a formalities.
your only case will be to hand over the charge of the pharmacy to respondent number 7.
Yes. I am now look after the ZMC pharmacy.
Your case is very little bit vague because you've made 8 also a party. Anyway, let's see. Let
Yes.
8
And
can
let us
have
go.
a say.
At this stage,
And
yes.
especially if the writ petition, the other one is in the favor of 8, you'll have no case here. Because will have no case, supposing the
Yeah.
other writ petition you're saying where the highest
Yeah,
bidder
if it's
has-
allowed, if
then
it's
you have
not
no
reject,
case.
I have no case. I accept that.
Anyways, I heard Ms. Dinari, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed the instant writ petition. Arraying the minutes of the meeting of the pharmacy board under ZMC dated 09/08/2024, which had recommended the respondent number 7 respondent 7 when the petitioner had given a higher bid than respondent number 7 in response to the open tender notice on January 2024. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the respondent number 7 and the petitioner had bidded higher than the respondent number 7. However, the respondent number 7 was selected, and the respondent authorities vide the order dated 20, no, where's the order? Vide the impugned order dated 30/12/2024
32, sir.
had instructed the petitioner to hand over the charge of the pharmacy to respondent number 7 on or before 20/01. This is last year, 2024.
Yes, yes. I'm a bit late because I have the respondent authority concerned had issued so cause to me with regard to my drugs license. That's why I have replied the so cause, and they have cancelled. I have appealed again, and they have allowed me to continue. That's why I am a bit
No,
late.
because anyway, 2024, full stop. The learned counsel submitted that the petitioner is the present proprietor of the RZ Pharmacy, which is running the pharmacy canteen of Mizoram Medical College, State Referral Hospital, Falcon. Aggrieved by the said impugned letter dated 30/12/2024, and the minutes of the meeting dated 09/08/2024. The instant writ petition is filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for the issuance of the appropriate writ or order to the respondents. Issue notice to the respondents. Miss Lalnunlui, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of state respondents number
1 to 6, Your Lordship.
1 to 6. No need to issue formal notice to the state respondents.
Your Lordship, I have interim prayer also.
Wait,
So it
notice
may be
issued-
observed that it's already stayed 30/12.
Okay, anyway, sir, notice be issued through registered post with AD within 3 working days to the private respondents through registered post with AD, returnable by 3 weeks. It's done. The new para, the learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that the impugned, where's the impugned order which is
Impugned
stated
order dated 30/12,
that the impugned order dated 30/12/2024 was stayed by this bench in a connected WPC
2 of 2025.
2 of 2025,
White order dated
while order dated
17/1/2025.
while order dated 17/01/2025. And therefore, she is not pressing for the stay of the impugned order in the instant writ petition.
Your Lordship, is it required to, here I pray that required to stay the minutes of the,
No need, no need, no need. Because this is the
Right.
main thing, isn't it? Huh? Yes, then list after 3 weeks.
much of,
For admission, item number 2.
My lord, in item 2, the counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Lal Rakung, about to is on legs in the other court. So if the matter may be a time being matter, my lord.
In this case, my lord, we have sought copy, my lord, so-called reply, my lord, today itself, my lord, for respondent number 12, my lord. My lord, I'm going to file during the course of the day, my lord.
Wait, you are for respondent number 12,
12.
isn't it?
Yes.
And so you, according to the matter on 28.
Last.
So you're for respondent number 12, and on the 28, you have to show your this thing, file your affidavit, isn't it? Not affidavit in opposition, but show clause,
Yes, my lord.
isn't it? Okay. In the course of the day,
I already served a copy to
Okay.
petitioner, my lord.
Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he will be filing his show cause reply during the course of the day. In view of the above, list the matter on, when was it? On
My lord, in
December, when was it?
December, my lord, Jan-
List the matter after 2 weeks.
my lord, on 9th of December, please.
That's what I'm saying. Give me
yes.
the date when you'll be
Yes.
available on 9/12/2025.
Item number 3 to 4.
Item number 4, my lord, the last chance was given to file affidavit, my lord, for railways, my lord. I prepared the affidavit, my lord, and my instruction, my lord, I filed these for 4, 5, and 6, my lord, I ready, my lord, to file affidavit, my lord. But my learned pen refused to accept.
Your Lordship, my learned friend, Mr. S.K. Mehdi, said that he will be representing only 7. Earlier, 7 were represented by the CGC Zaim Sankri,
Oh,
and he has come in for 7 in the last day. Now, without any taking leave from the court, he is trying to give me affidavit of 4, 5, 6, and 7, while Mr. Zaim Sankri is preparing for 4, 5, and 6.
no, let Zarim Sankui talk, see for himself. Wait, here in the last court date, Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned counsel for respondent number 7, and Ms. Zarin Saipui, learned counsel for respondent 3 to 6 are present. 3 to 6 is whom?
My
Which department?
that's all railway, my lord, all railway, my lord. So this printing.
So who is going to appear to make it clear, Your Lordship? What the CGC
I'll mail to this correct this matter for respondent 7 I will find. But because my lord, this is all railway, my lord, the same issue, my lord, regarding the interest of under section 28. My lord, here, my lord, the same issue, my friend is appearing in the appeal also for respondent, my lord, is fixed on the.
Anyway, what about Ms. Zarim Sankui? You're for respondent number 3 to 6, isn't it?
I accept notice for the whole respondent.
However,
in the meantime, my learned friend is hearing the matter.
Okay, so you have to, how do we know that you are the appearing? Do you have some, this thing?
I don't know who it-
My lord, actually, my this was in my correct.
Where's your appointment order? Affidavit in opposition,
I file Ukalatama, my lord, in for respondent 7.
7 you have filed.
Yes.
So this has to be only for 7.
Yes, madam. So I have to correct my this.
So correct it only for 7.
Yes, madam.
Then 3 to 6, if you are going to file a separate affidavit, it's okay. Or if you are going to rely on the affidavit filed by respondent number 7 also, it's okay. That's up to you. Okay, you consult from 3 to 6. The respondents 3 to 6. Yes, Ms. Zarim Sangpui, have you filed the thing counter?
Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet. So you give a copy of the counter affidavit filed by respondent number 7, and Ms. Zarim Sangpui will see whether she requires to file another affidavit or she's going to rely on the affidavit filed by respondent 7. It's as simple as that. Yes. So, Mr. Latlang Moya, is it?
Yes,
You are for?
petitioner.
No, for the petitioners also 2. That's what. Who's for?
I'm the item number 4.
Okay, for item number 4. So this is item number, yes, this is item number 3, isn't it? Huh?
In this case, I filed this affidavit of opposition.
Now, in item number 3, no, I was reading item number 3. In item number 3, Ms. Zarim Sangpui is for respondents number 3 to 6.
3, 4, 5, and 7.
Okay, so let's deal with item number 3, huh? So, Mr. Yes, Mr. Lal Tlang Tlang Moya.
Lalthang Moya.
Yes, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Ms. Zarim Sangpui. Learned counsel for respondents number 3 to 6, and learned CGC, okay, appearing for respondents number 3 to 6, and Mr. SK Medi. Okay, you're for, no, you're for 3 to 7, is it in item number 3?
3, 4, 5, and 7.
For item number 3, 4, 5, and 7. Ms. Zarim Sangpui, learned for item and Mr. SK Medi for item number, respondent number 6. Okay. Now, in this thing,
And Your Lordship, I'm
For
representing respondent number 1
okay.
and 2.
Now, for respondent number 6, this is an affidavit filed on 5 August 2023. Here it says 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So here you will have to make the correction.
Yes, madam.
It will be only for respondent number 6 here.
Yes.
Okay. And then you give a copy to Mrs. Zarim Sangpui. She will see whether she requires to file another affidavit for the other respondents. Because there's already one affidavit here. Make the correction.
Yes,
Okay. Now, full stop. Then, Ms. Vani Siami, learned government advocate, appears on behalf of the state respondents number 1 to 2. Stop. The learned counsel for respondent number 6 submits that they have filed their counter affidavit, while Ms. Zarim Sangpui, learned CGC for respondents number 3, 4, 5, and 7 submits that she may get the necessary instructions whether she is required to file the counter affidavit or adopt the counter affidavit filed by respondent number 6. Full stop. Then the learned government advocate has also prayed for further time to file the counter affidavit. In view of the above, list after 3, list on, then the same date, 9/12/2025. Yes. This is item number 3. Now, in item number 4, it will be Mr. Jonathan. Now, here, Mrs. Zair, same order, but Mrs. Zarim Sangpui, learned CGC will be for 4, 5, and 6, and Mr. SK Medi will be for respondent number 7, while Ms. Vani Siami will be for state respondents number
1 to 3. And Your
1 to
Lordship, I
2,
have already filed my
3.
affidavit.
1, 2, 3. Then full stop, then the learned government advocate submits that they have already filed their counter affidavit. In view of the above, list on again 9/12, so and so. So, where Ms. Vani Siame is there in the previous thing, that it will be different here. Okay, because she's prayed for time.
In item 3, I will be allowed to correct this by hand, my lordship allowed. Only my lord, the respondent, I.
Okay, you do it in this thing. You don't have to pass an order for that.
Yes, madam.
Okay, you can
Obliged.
Item number 5.
We have obtained the correct address of respondent number 4. So if you may allow to take justice steps by way of justice service.
Respondent number
4.
4, 2 and 3. Notice complete.
And 3 are represented.
Already represented? Okay. Mr. Lalo Moralte, learned counsel for the appellant, is present and submits that he may be given further time to take steps for issuing notice to respondent number 4. Is it? Through dusty mode.
Document claim.
Praise aloud. Learned counsel for the appellant to take necessary steps, and affidavit of serving notice to respondent number 4 through dusty mode is to be filed by the next court date. Full stop. Then, Mr.
I'm for the respondent number 1 claimant, madam.
So-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number 1 is present along with Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number 2 and 3. 2 and 3. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged, madam.
Item number 6.
Yes, Your Lordship. Notice to respondent number 2 is completed.
Okay. Mr. Jonathan so-and-so, learned counsel for the appellant is present along with Ms. so-and-so, learned additional PP for the state respondents. The learned additional PP submits that notice upon respondent number 2 is complete, and the document showing that notice was duly served to respondent number 2 on 22/09/2025 has been duly furnished. Stop. It is seen that new para none appeared for respondent number 2. This court find it, full stop. This court find it fit to appoint. Who is present?
Tan
Appoint.
Thiang Hema is present, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
Tan Thiang Hema.
Okay, to appoint Mr. C. Tlang Thiang Lema. Okay, can you appear for respondent number 2
My
as legal aid counsel to represent respondent number 2? Full stop. Then paper book ready?
Yes, Your Lordship, we have received a paper
Okay,
book.
it is seen that paper book is ready. Copy of the paper book to be duly served to the counsels for both the parties. List the matter for hearing in due course as per its own term.
Sorry to my lord. In my affidavit, item number 3 is my concern, my lord.
What, huh?
My lord, there inside my lord, also, my lord, there is something, these different, for 3, 4, 5, my lord, I am authorized. So it is required to sense, my lord.
This is required to?
My lord, this paragraph, paragraph 1 and 2, my lord, it is written, my lord, I am fully authorized by 3, 4, and 7. So it has to be required to sense, my lord.
Is required to be?
Sense this affidavit, my lord, because I am in here, my lord, it is written authorized, my lord. So if I file only my respondent was 6, my lord, then this two.
Who is the counsel, this thing petitioner for this thing, item number?
3.
3. Who's the petitioner?
Pure
Or where's Ms. Zairam Sangpui? So Zairam Sangpui will have to clarify because there's already a CGC and she's been previously appearing for them. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So anyway, in the next date, you can clarify. Let's see. In the next date, let's see the order. Item number 3.
So it should be as it is, my lord, because
You should inform them which department, railway.
railway, ma'am.
There already is a CGC, so I think you have to.
My lord, this is regarding, my lord, same matter is pending in principal bench regarding interest 28 and 34, my lord. I'm dealing in this case in the,
Where's your wakalatnama in item number 3?
this year, my lord, filed, my lord.
This is affidavit in opposition.
It was my filed earlier, my lord.
Let me see. Here, it's 6. There's this overwriting. What's this? This. Here,
Madam?
it's 6.
My lord, now I overwhelmed that is use Whitener, my lord. Now it's after today itself.
So leave it like this. 3,
Okay.
4, 5, 6. If she's going to adopt the, it's okay because here you have cancelled 3, 4, 5, 6. You should have been sure then, isn't it?
Then I have
So you have already filed the counter.
yes, ma'am.
You make this correction here in the opposition because the wakalatnama which you have filed, you have already cancelled 3, 4, 5, and 7.
Yes, ma'am.
So now don't keep just saying jungling. You change this also.
Yes, ma'am. That's as a duty.
Then if a separate, I don't think a separate counter will be required. Then you
Yes.
keep appearing for that if they adopt
yes,
letter
yes.
also.
Highly obliged, ma'am.
Yes.
Item number 7.
My lord, in this matter, my senior, Mr. Ayan Malhotra is leading the case, so,
Is it?
yes, my lord.
Oh, then let's this matter before any other bench, except before this bench. Then except this bench. Okay, then my name in brackets. Yes.
Item number 8.
Yes. What is required here?
We have filed our affidavit and served copies to the petitioners, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Lalo Moma, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Miss
Vanlal Monpui.
Valal Monpui. Is your name there in the cost list?
Yes, my lord.
Yes?
Yes, my lord.
Along with Ms. Valal Monpui, learned counsel for respondents number 1, 2, and 3. Is it?
Yes, my lord.
Full stop. The learned counsel for the respondents number 1, 2, and 3 submits that they have filed their counter affidavit. Is it here?
Not, we have filed it this morning, my lord.
Okay, submits that they had filed their counter affidavit this morning. In view of the above, since the said counter affidavit is not on record, list the matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, ma'am.
Obliged.
Yes.
Item number 9.
My lord, in this case, although it is fixed for IA hearing, for continuation of hearing, the case is led by my senior, Mr. L. Fakoma, who's out of station. So if the matter can be taken up next week, if possible.
You have filed your written objection, is
Yes,
it?
my lord, already filed.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned, you're appearing on behalf of Mr. Johnny. Is
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Learned counsel, Mr. Lanfang Isanga.
Yes, my
Is
lord.
it? Learned counsel appears on behalf of his senior, Mr. Johnny L. Tauchon, along with Ms. Lal Ropari, learned counsel for respondent number 3.
Yes, my lord.
The learned counsel for respondent number 3 has prayed for adjournment of the matter since her senior, Mr. Lal Fakoma, is said to be out of station. Full stop. She further submits that the written objection has been, when was it filed? Was filed on? Any idea? Let's mention.
It
Was
was-
filed on 01/07/2025.
Yes, madam.
In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Yes, madam. To
After
be
3
obliged.
weeks.
Item number 10.
Yes, may it please your lordship. I am here for the applicant. And yes, my lord, in respect of respondent number 1 and 6, despite a thorough search, we were unable to locate them, my lord. And an affidavit regarding
Respondent 1 and 6.
1
has
and
been
6, my
filed.
lord.
Okay, 1 and 6 done. Then
Yeah, we could not locate them, my lord.
you could not locate them.
Yes, my lord. It appears that they have shifted their places, and their present whereabouts are
Then
not
you
known by
find
us, my
out
lord.
first, isn't it? You
If
cannot
we-
have a case without knowing where they are. This is concerning what? RFA.
RFA.
Now, before the trial court,
Uh,
did they have a counsel to represent them?
They have no. My lord. Even in the trial court, they did not appear and were proceeded ex parte, my lord. And if your
Ex
lordship,
parte?
ex parte,
But you are the appellant, so ex parte in their favor,
in our favor, my lord.
in your favor. If it's ex parte in your favor, then why have you come on appeal to this court?
Because we won't. Yes, my lord. Because
Then you should be happy. Why have you appealed?
because we are not happy with the judgment and order, my lord.
Alright, how can that be?
If your
What's the
lordship,
matter about?
this matter is an electrocution case, my lord. This
Electrocution.
yes, this
So-
this RFA has been preferred under section 96, read with
No,
order
no, I'm
49.
trying to understand. Wait, let's see, So you cannot serve notice upon two respondents, the private respondent
Private
number
respondents,
1
yes, my lord.
and number 6, they are private respondents. Okay. And why have you arrayed the private respondents as parties? How are they involved?
Because my lord, there was a low electric wire hanging
Okay.
passed through a clothesline at the motor parts service, my lord.
Okay, so the main
And-
thing is whether the state respondents are to pay the
Ye-
compensation or
compensation,
not,
yes, my
isn't
lord.
it?
Yes, they have
So
to pay.
1
They are liable
and
to pay.
3 are just the pro forma respondents, is it?
Yes, my
Or
lord.
you are saying that they are the owner of the house, is it?
Yes, my lord. They are the owner of the electric wire too, because the respondent number 1 had they had taken an electric wire from the respondent number 6.
But now, as per the judgment and order, who is to pay the compensation amount?
Respondent number 1 and 6, my lord.
Okay, respondent number, the private people.
Yes, my
Then
lord.
they have to be a newspaper publication,
Yes,
maybe?
newspaper publication if
But
possible,
where
my
have
lord.
they moved to? Some
Uh,
idea?
no idea with that, my
No
lord.
idea? No,
yes,
to
we have
make-
no
make an
idea, my
attempt
lord.
again.
We have attempted as much as we could, my lord.
See, so the judgment is in your favor.
In our
Is it?
favor, but
How much is the compensation amount to be paid?
1 lakh each, my lord.
1 lakh each. So why have you come on appeal?
Because we are claiming for 5 lakh, my lord. 5
5
lakhs.
lakhs.
5 lakhs, my
Supposing
lord.
we allow you your claim, 5 lakhs, but how will you recover if it's from 1 and 6? No, newspaper publication, they don't come, so you have to find out where they are. Otherwise, it cannot be executed also if you cannot find them. How are we supposed to find them? Ex parte, okay, ex parte, and it is decided in your favor here also.
Yes, my lord.
They have to appear. Anyway, we'll do newspaper publication,
Yes, my lord.
and in the newspaper publication also, supposing they don't appear. Okay,
Yes, my lord.
through the newspaper publication also. Then we decide the matter and allow your appeal.
Yes, my lord.
Then what? If 1 and 6 cannot be found, how are they going to pay? Something has to be done anyway. So, have you really made a proper attempt?
Yes,
Or
my
you
lord.
huh?
Yes, a notice has been issued twice. Once Talabana and
No, not issuing notice.
yes,
You
ma'am.
have to go personally and search for them. World
yes,
Bank Road,
yes, my lord.
Brinktown, through Dusty.
Through Dusty, and we have consulted with the local council too, and they did not know where they have shifted. Even the local council and the people at that area too, my lord.
Okay, we'll issue newspaper publication, then we'll say they have to pay. Then what? If you can't find them, how will you execute the matter? That's what I'm thinking. It's a different matter if you say that 1 and 6 are not responsible. It's just the state. Is that your ground? No.
No, my lord.
Then, anyways, we'll allow you newspaper publication. I don't think they'll ever appear then because they'll know we have to pay, we will not appear. So then it will become infructuous if you can't find them. Issuing warrant also in the execution case, but if you can't find them, you can't find them. Anyways, so it was decided ex parte in the trial court.
In the trial
also.
court, my lord.
Then it will be very difficult for you to get the amount. I don't know why you're running around like this. Anyway, Miss So-and-so, learned counsel for the, this is condonation
Condonation.
for the applicant is present and submits that they could not serve notice to respondents number 1 and 6 through dusty mode, since respondents number 1 and 6 cannot be found in their given address. Stop. The learned counsel has therefore prayed that she may be allowed to serve notice upon respondent number 1 and 6 through dusty mode, through newspaper publication. Full stop. Praise aloud. Notice to be served upon respondents number 1 and 6 through newspaper publication. Fix, when do you want it for appearance? Make it in the next
First
year.
week of December, if possible, my lord.
But you don't even know where they are. Anyway, newspaper publication in 2 widely published newspapers within the estate. List on, we'll make it 12 December 2025. Then the presence of Miss learned counsel, learned government advocate for the state respondents is noted. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 11.
My lord, I'm for respondent number 1, and I'm seeking further 2 weeks' time to file my objection, written objection.
We will give you a final chance. If you
Yes,
don't
my lord.
file, or if you still want to file, you will have to pay cost. You cannot keep, how many days this thing delay? 100 days. Filing of a written objection shouldn't take long. How many times have you prayed for adjournment? 1, 2?
My lord, we haven't received our appeal petition from the appellant's side.
First, we will dispose of this thing, contempt, and then we'll see. Anyway, give a furnish, because there's no order to furnish a copy of the appeal to you yet, because the IA has to be disposed of first. If we don't allow the condonation, then there's no appeal, isn't it? So you reply to the condonation first. If you want outside court, you can ask, but we are not issuing an order to furnish copy yet. Yes, Mr. Ram Murmu, learned counsel for the applicant is present along with Ms. Ruth Lal Rotfeli, learned counsel for respondent number 1, and Ms. Lal Nunhui, learned government advocate for the state respondents. Yes, state, are you going to file a written objection?
To the IA, no, Your Lordship.
The learned government advocate submits that they will not be filing any written objection, while the learned counsel for respondent number 1 has prayed for further date to file their written objection. This court find it fit to allow the learned counsel for respondent number 1 to file their written objection positively by the next court date. Lest after, how long will you take? 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Lest after 2 weeks.
Item number 12.
Yes.
My lord, the Talabana has been filed, however, ID card has not been returned yet. If your
Okay,
lord,
miss, what's your name?
Sarah Remruat
So
Feli.
and so, learned counsel for the applicant is present and submits that AD card upon respondent number 1 and 2 is return of AD card, okay, from respondent number 1 and 2 is still awaited. Full stop. In view of the above, list after.
My lord, if I may be permitted to serve notice by way of the stiff.
Why? What's the address?
My lord, it's Hyderabad.
No, it's just the first date, it's coming up, isn't it? List after 3 weeks.
Okay, my lord.
Then we'll see.
Yes, my lord.
Part 2 hearing, item number 14.
None appear for the parties on call. List after the ensuing vacation. Any other matter?